In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to automatically delete unused apps from your iPhone. This feature helps free up valuable space by removing rarely used apps while preserving their data, allowing you to reinstall them if needed without losing progress. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. You will want to navigate onto this option of App Store. Onto this page, scroll down onto this option of Offload Unused Apps. Make sure to turn on this option. When enabled, all unused apps will automatically get removed. This eliminates the need to manually manage apps, making your iPhone more streamlined and user-friendly. Well, that's how easy it is to uninstall unused apps from your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.